Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can make a group chat on Discord. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guide. So in order to make a group chat on Discord, what you'll need to do is you need to first thing make sure that you already have an account, and also make sure to update your application to the latest version in order to make a group chat on Discord. So then logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to this kind of interface or the home page. Now as you can see in the top right corner, there is a message icon with a plus on it. Click on this icon, and after that you'll be able to add a member to your group. So in one group you can add up to 10 members, and you can type in the name, and as you type in the name, and you'll be able to see the suggested list. And once you type in, you'll need to go on tapping on the username to whom you want to add it on your group chat. So once you have done selecting the members, you'll be able to see an arrow icon in the bottom right corner, and after you click on this arrow icon, after that you'll need to create a name for the group, and then you've successfully created a group, and now you can start texting. So in this way you can make a group chat on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.